This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we have already finished Photoshop and InDesign software. So Photoshop mainly we are using for image editing. Okay, it is an image editing software. So there you can cut the image, crop the image, so many things you can do it. Okay, so all creative things which is completely related to image editing, right? So we can make the brightness, black and white image, so colorful things we could do it in Photoshop. And again in InDesign software, here also you can do colorful things, but we don't have any crop things over here. We cannot cut the image, and however we want, we cannot do any collage work here. But as it is, there are many options are there in InDesign software. That is like to make a poster design or a magazine cover page design. Only with that, whatever the text and images are there, we have to play with that only. So it is just there's no fancy things over there. Okay, so whatever the straight information is there in that software, we have to use it as it is. Okay, we cannot add anything, we cannot make more colorful things over there in InDesign software. Okay, so anybody could tell me like what we can what we can do with the Corel Draw software. Somebody who know already this software, or whoever somebody who already learned this software, anybody can tell me like where we can use this Corel Draw software, and what and all designs we can create using the Corel Draw software. Anybody can tell me? Nisarga Rai, Divyashriyam, anybody? Am I audible right now? Divyashriyam, am I audible right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anybody can tell me like why we can, where we can use this Corel Draw softwares? What are the users? Anybody heard before itself? So we can create multiple things with the Corel Draw software. Anybody can tell me like whoever heard before? Nobody heard about this software, Corel Draw? Okay, so this is the designing software. So whatever the software we have learned, like Photoshop and InDesign, that is from Adobe software. So Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator. So everything, if you'll go to the start and all programs, then Adobe Master Collection. So I told before itself, Adobe Master Collection CS5. In this, we have complete set of softwares. So which is completely under the Adobe. Okay, so we have the audio video editing softwares are there, and we have web designing softwares are there, we have editing softwares are there. So many of the softwares which is under Adobe. Okay, so we have learned two softwares which is from the company of Adobe. Okay, so now we are going to learn about Corel Draw. So Corel Draw mainly from the, so this is a software we are learning. So that is the Corel Draw. So Corel Draw X7 version I'm using here. Okay, so Corel Draw, which is coming from Coral company. So which is the company, it is based on Coral company. Okay, so how it is come like Adobe company. So like that, Corel Draw, which is having its own way, and which is having its own business. So the Corel Draw, which is come from Coral company, so which is not tie up with any other companies and all. So InDesign software is completely a competition for Corel Draw software. So Corel Draw software is from many long years. So first Corel Draw software only started. So afterwards this Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, all these things which is born. Okay, so Corel Draw, when the advertisement things are started, so that time, so people are started to do that. You can see that Parle G biscuit, those things long year ago. So from that time, on that time itself advertisement has started. So from that time only, whoever invented the this Corel Draw software, Okay, so they started with the CorelDRAW itself. Okay, this is an old software, but still this software is very popular. Okay, so mainly this CorelDRAW software. So I'll come back for this. See, CorelDRAW, so we have this, when it is started, all these informations are there. Look at here, 27th October 1997. So CorelDRAW is started. CorelDRAW 8. So this is a version 8. Okay, so version 8. So afterwards it is going to change. So these are the different versions of the CorelDRAW. So how it is changed. Okay, one second. So we have from here. Okay, so January 1989, the CorelDRAW is started. So how it is starting? So look at this, how they are introduced version, first version, and what are the things which is changed in this version. So many of the changes slightly they are changed inside the software, or some of the tools they added. When you open the CorelDRAW, we have some uh, 20 to 40 tools will be there. So everybody, nobody is added this tools once, immediately nobody added this tool. Okay, so they started introduced with the three tools or a two tools like that. So afterwards they added more tools and more effects, and more images things we can add it. So those things, information, fonts and all, they added. So it is different versions which is telling the same thing. So this is January 1989. So they have installed they have introduced one version. So afterwards they have developed, see here, the envelope tool is they developed, and blend tool they have developed. So like that, so they have developed, keep on developing with different tool. See, photo paint tool they introduced here, and so like that. So we have the changes. When you enter into the CorelDRAW software, you will get to know like all the tools are, which is not come in the beginning only. Even whatever the tools they have introduced, that may be the basic tools. Okay, so they have modified into so advanced tools and all. So with that only they made some advanced things and all. And look at here, 1994. So this is the last version of they made it Windows 3x. So afterwards this is going to start with the x3, x4, x5. So like that the version name will change it to different name. So CorelDRAW, what I'm using this different version, that is called CorelDRAW x7. Okay, so afterwards x7, x9, like that the version is started, x8. So like this the version will start. So whatever the changes they have made it here. So mesh fill tool, so 31st August 1999 they have introduced this mesh fill tool, and 27 October 97 tool they have used Docker's window, interactive destruction, 3D envelope, and this realistic drop shadows, all these things. So many of the things they have changed in 1997. So like this, if we'll come back here 2002 again. So 11, the version is 11. Symbol library, image, silence, slicing. Okay, so these are the option. So they have introduced. Okay, so like this they have the introduction in the 22nd October, 22nd January 2008. So now after this 90s, so we have come here 2013 November 2000. So afterwards August 2002. So like that 2010, look at here, this is the latest thing. So 2010, so they had did a huge thing. So look at here, x5, x4, x3, and x2, x1. So x1 from August 2002 to, so this is become CorelDRAW graphics suite. So it is named as CorelDRAW graphics suite, x3, x4, x5 versions. Okay, so here double click crop tool, and some of the tools they have you introduced here, smart fill tool, and all these tools they have introduced. Next, so 22nd January 2008, so here they have the tool. Okay, some of the table tool and all these things, raw camera files and all. So 2010, look at here, 2010 we have a very huge things in 2010. So they have introduced many things over here. So here we have mesh tool, again transparency. Already they have introduced all this tool in the beginning itself, but they did a huge modification here. They made it everything advanced. So they maybe suppose we could add a single box or a single line or something. So in that only we could add a curve shapes, or we could rotate and scale that image. Inside that we could add a images, something like that. They made it in a different way, and for that images or a box, for we could add effects and all. So those things and all they have made in 23rd February 2010. So that's why they are naming the same tool itself. So look at the pixels, the quality of the image, everything they have made in a different way for the first time. Okay, so we have the 32 fonts total. We have the 32 font. So they maybe started with the 4 fonts, 5 fonts, like that, font types and all. So they have introduced 32 fonts in 23rd February 2010. So like that 2012. So we have, so see, look at here. This is the thing which is going to support Corel Draw also. Support for 64-bit Adobe Photoshop plugins. So whatever the things, like suppose we are doing, always we need a support Photoshop. So we need a support always, because we have to cut the image, we have to crop the image, means we have to use the Photoshop always, right? So before it was not supporting, okay, supporting Corel Draw. So what they're telling, 20th March 2012. So they made it 64-bit and multi-core process native, and this is Adobe Photoshop plugin. So it is going to support Adobe Photoshop also. So here they are mentioned all these things. Okay. 27 March 2014. So they have released this version, whatever the version I'm using here. This is very familiar versions, and mainly the companies and all, they are using X6 and X7 version. Why they are using X6 and X version? Look at here, why I'm using X6 and X7 version. See, advanced options all are introduced here, X6 and X7 version. So which is the version which is comfortable for everybody. So this is the version they are introduced, and there are huge changes are happened in this session only. If you'll go, if you download X7 or X6 version, means lesser than that version, so maybe you don't get some of the many changes are happened in X6 and X7 only. Please download it these versions only. So don't go for very less version like X2, X3. Don't go for those versions. Please download X6 and X7 versions only. So whatever the version I'm using, so please download those versions only. So here, so we have 15 March 2016, that we have this X8 version. So X8 version. So here we have this thing. Okay. So we have the things. Okay. Commercial point application, high resolution displays. Okay. So these are the things which is introduced, and the shadows. So already these are the tools which are introduced before itself, but the thing is there is some of the changes. So there is the values and all, they may be changed, and some of the things which is related to that tool, so they made it advanced. Okay, so those things and all they changed it here. And 11th April 2017, so here also they introduced some of the things. Alicia, how come you are present today? You are absent from so many classes. Can you give me the reason, Alicia? What happened? You are absent from many classes. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, please watch the recording. Okay, practice. So whatever the recordings we will make it. So those are things we are posting in the WhatsApp. So please at least follow those things, because I want some assignment from you people. So at least whoever not get the marks from the attendance, okay, so whoever not present in the class, okay, if they are not attended the class, they're not getting any marks for that. So at least if you'll do the assignments, so some of the minimum assignment if you'll do from your side, I'll give some more days time, no problem. So before the exam you have to submit me the so I could give some marks from my side. Okay, please try to send me the assignments. Okay, so we'll come back for this and look at here 11th April 2017. So 17 is very near to us. So here we have the option of live sketch, and we have the option of font list box and Microsoft Window tablet mode and surface dial options and all, which is introduced in the higher version 2018. So we have the version of uh, here the option of bitmaps, apply envelope to bitmap, and a shadow tool. So all these things are little, they made it advanced here. And 12th March 2019, so Dockers, FX, workflow, all these options are there. Okay, PDF support. Okay, PDF which is going to support here. So anyway, we are learning X7 version. So 2021. So 2021. Okay, so they have the latest version here. Look at here. The latest version is marked as CorelDRAW Graphic Suite 2021. So this is the latest version of CorelDRAW. So CorelDRAW Graphic Tools. In the meanwhile, that CorelDRAW which is going to change the name as CorelDRAW Graphic Suite 2021. That is the latest version. Okay, in online exam they maybe ask you what is the latest version of CorelDRAW. So that is CorelDRAW Graphic Suite 2021. Okay. Okay, so what is CorelDRAW? What is CorelDRAW? Why we are using CorelDRAW software, and what and all we can create using the CorelDRAW software? Okay, anybody can tell me, whoever know the software. Anybody whoever know the software? Arunima, Divyashriyam. Anybody know the software before itself? Somewhere if people heard about this software. Nobody. So I'll go for this software. So CorelDRAW is a vector based software. So it is a vector graphic editor. So developed and marketed by Corel Corporation, means the from the Corel company. So that is the thing. So which is not a bitmap image. So which is not from the bitmap option. So it is from Corel company. So CorelDRAW is a vector graphics. What is vector graphics? So vector in the sense, so whatever the design, suppose in the Photoshop, without any images we cannot create anything there. So we have to take the image and we have to edit the image, we have to cut the image, we have to crop the image, we have to collage the image. So without image we cannot do anything, correct? So we need a images always. Even in the InDesign also we can do 50%. 50% we need a image, 50% we need a works, correct? We need a images 50%, we can do the text, and we can add it something, lines, borders, everything we can add it. Okay, so 50% vector is there, 50% bitmap is there. So that means bitmap is nothing but a image. So whatever the images we have, so that is we are telling bitmap format. Okay, it is a bitmap format. So it may be blur, you'll get a blur things, you will get it, or you will get not get a good quality, resolution will be very less. Okay, sometimes so you will zoom it, sometimes you will take the print out, so that time you will not get a very good exact quality, natural things you're not able to find it, correct? So like that. But the vector graphic editor, so CorelDRAW is mainly from the vector graphic editor. That means everything we could create it using the CorelDRAW, and here nobody using the images in CorelDRAW. Okay, so we whatever the images we want to, means we have to trace those image, we can do it. But mainly the thing is, so everything we have to create our own. So everything we have to create our own. So we are not using any images here, any reference we want it. So that time only we'll use the images. So everything we have to create it with the tools are available. We have many tools here, and which is very easy software. So everything we have to create our own. Okay, so CorelDRAW is a vector based software. I'll show you people what is the vector based software. So Yeah, look at here, vector based in the sense, so look at here, these are the things which is created. So this is the created. Okay, so I'll show you what is vector and what is bitmap. Look at here. See here, this is a vector and this is a raster. Okay, so raster in the sense, maybe it is, I'm unable to zoom it. So look at here, this is having a very good quality and this image is little blurred. So because of this is the image, when the vector is or any of the things which is you will download or you will bring it to this software, it may be blurred and which is not having a good quality, so which is the text is also blurred and the image also blurred. So vector in the sense, we are going to create everything, so we are going to create everything means which is having very good quality always. Okay, so I'll close this file. Yeah, look at here. So both the images are not opening. Let us see this one. I'll just give preview. So look at this very simple example. See, when I'll increase the size, so when I'll increase the size of this image, look at here. So this is the raster. So raster in the sense which is completely blurred. It may be a image format. It may be image format which are not clear. We copied from here and there, Google or somewhere. We have cutted this image and we copied even for the text, shadow, everything which is copied, which is not created. So that is raster. Okay, so raster always it will be a JPG format or GIF format and the PNG format. So raster images which is will be JPG, GIF and PNG image format. Okay, so this is the vector format. So vector format in the sense, even each and everything, like suppose if it is a text, if it is an image, or if it is any kind of drawings, so everything we have to create our own in the CorelDRAW software. So everything we have to create our own. That's why we are calling CorelDRAW is a vector based software. Okay, so you people got to know, right, what is the difference between raster and the vector. Okay, so that raster will be like this, which is pixelated. Pixelated means look at the pixels. These are the small box we are telling pixelated. Pixelated means blurred, so you can see some of the image like you have taken in your mobile, some of the photos, so that time when you zoom it, which is not having the good resolution or a good quality, image has not come proper. So all those are copied image or not taken properly, so which is not created. So here in CorelDRAW everything we should create. Okay, so look at here. So this is the bottle image. So here look at this bottle is we have created. So this is the thing we have created in the CorelDRAW software. And the sticker, there is a sticker over there. The sticker names are not clear because the sticker name is we have copied from somewhere. So this sticker we have downloaded the image and we have copied. So it's supposed to look like this. If the sticker image is very clear, so then which is going to look like this very clear, when you zoom it also, which is looking here, correct. So when you zoom it also the image is looking properly, then it is a vector based. Okay, so if you zoom it still the image is looking blur, so then which is a bitmap. Bitmap in the sense which is in the format of image. Okay, so this is in the format of image. Okay, so you people have to know what is vector and what is bitmap. Okay, so vector always, this is the thing, this is the designs we have to create in CorelDRAW. So look at, see this bottle design, everything which is created in the Corel Draw. Any text, any company logo, anything, any of the things we are going to mention it here, everything we have to create it in Corel Draw. Otherwise any of the image we will use it means which will become blur here. Okay. Okay, some, okay, I'll show different example. Look at here. Okay, somehow this image, look at, this is a vector. If we zoom it, I have zoomed 100%. Still if I zoom it 50%, we can see this image, left side image, vector image. In the raster image already, when the file is opened before itself, it is blur only. So this is the image format, and this is the thing what we have created in the Corel Draw. Okay. Okay, so we'll come back for this. So you people are cleared, right? So what is the difference between vector and the raster? Raster in this is a bitmap image. So this is Corel Draw is completely a vector graphics editor. So which include the bitmap image editors. This also we can use it, no problem. Sometimes we have to use the images also. Okay. So the latest version of the Corel Draw is Corel Draw Graphics Suite 2021. Okay, so CorelDRAW is designed to edit two-dimensional image. So what is two-dimensional images? Anybody can tell me what is two-dimensional images and three-dimensional images? So already from the beginning of the class, we are working with the two-dimensional image. What is two-dimensional image? Anybody can tell me? Punita, Monal Singh. Somebody answered me in the starting class. I have asked people before itself. So anybody could tell me like what is two-dimensional image and three-dimensional image? Anybody? You are not there in the class? Nobody's there in the class? Am I audible right? Monal Singh, Nisarga Rai. What is two-dimensional image and three-dimensional image? Can anybody tell me? Okay, so two-dimensional image means you will have only height and width will be there. So always in the two-dimensional image, we have only height and width will be there. So there is no depth. But we have the three-dimensional image. So suppose we have to create a 3D architecture designs, or in 2D itself we have to show the box or something. So that then it is become as a three-dimensional image. So here in Corel Draw, in all this Photoshop and InDesign software, all these are a two-dimensional software. So these are the graphic designing software where we can see only two-dimensional image. Three-dimensional image we can see only in the 3D softwares. Okay, here in the latest version, some of the 3D things they have introduced, but we cannot create complete 3D things here in this graphic designing software. Okay, so you people have to know what is two-dimensional and three-dimensional. So only width and height we can see it. We cannot see the depth. We can make it as a depth. Okay, we can convert it to the two-dimensional image, which could look as a three-dimensional. I'll show you some of the images. So CorelDRAW is designed to edit two-dimensional image such as logos and posters. So what and all create using this software. Okay, so here it is there. CorelDRAW was initially released in 1989. Okay, so I have told you people already. So mainly these are the things we can create using the CorelDRAW software. Okay, so everybody please note it down. Some of the things we have already created, correct? Some of the things we have already created. So rest of the things we have to create in CorelDRAW, correct? Logo designing. So logo designing, which is very famous in CorelDRAW, only in CorelDRAW we can create it. Logo designing, other softwares also we can create it, not only with the CorelDRAW. But the thing is, logo designing and the brochure designing, newsletters designing, business card. Business card is nothing but both are same, business card and the visiting card design. So everything we can do it with the CorelDRAW software. So CorelDRAW is very popular from the beginning. That which is we are going mainly this CorelDRAW software for the printing purpose. So whatever the designs we are choosing here, so everything we can create with the CorelDRAW software. Okay, so mainly CorelDRAW, we are creating all the designs with the CorelDRAW software. Okay, so InDesign software, before we don't have InDesign software, so CorelDRAW. So invitation cards, greeting cards, all those things I have not mentioned here. So everything we could create with the CorelDRAW software. So look at here, visiting card design, books design, illustration makings, letterhead design, banner designs, envelope designs, and the poster designs. So everything we are making the designs with the CorelDRAW software. Okay. So what is logo designing? Anybody can tell me what is logo designing? Anybody can tell me? At least you people learned what is logo designing. Anywhere you people are heard like what is logo designing? So these are the things which we are going to create. Logo designing, business card designing. So these are the things we are going to learn here. And banner designing, envelope designing, letterhead design. So these are the things we are going to learn, because already you have learned this newspaper designing, magazine cover page, all those things, brochure design, even brochure design also we could do it. Okay, if you have time we could do those things also, brochure designs also. So these are the things we are creating in in this software. Okay, so many other things, even cartoon making, so cartoon design, even cartoon design, cartoon illustrations, so we can make cartoon illustrations. Cartoon illustrations we can make it, we have to make a cartoon kind of logos also, we can make it called cartoon illustrations also, we can make it. Okay, so everything we can make it with the CorelDRAW software. So CorelDRAW is the one software we can make multiple things. So we are using Photoshop, InDesign, and many different for software for everything. So with the CorelDRAW software itself, there is no competition for CorelDRAW. In the CorelDRAW single software, we can create all this design. Okay. So mainly we'll come for this logo designing. Anybody can tell me what is logo designing? So which is very simple. So logo designing is nothing but the identification of the what? Identification of the company, identification of the brand. Correct. So any of the brand, suppose you have to buy this Nike shoes, or this Nokia phone, or a Samsung phone, or any of the small things also. Even you have to buy this any water bottle, any of the small things also. Everything which is having the brand. Correct. The company name will be there. Any product if you buy it, cosmetics, Lakme product, L'Oreal product, or this Sony product. So any of the products, right? Everywhere you have the brand. Correct. Everywhere you have the brand. With the brand itself, you are buying the product. So if any changes with the logo, if that Samsung logo SAM, so instead of that, so which is having, so any changes with the A or M, so there's no much difference in the logo designing, only the text only is there in the logo designing. So after seeing that logo itself, yeah, this is my product, so this is Samsung product, easily we could buy, yeah, this is my product, this is not this is not duplicate product, this is the original product. Correct. So because of that logo, because of that thing which is there on that product, so by the time only we'll get to know, yeah, this is the original product and this is my brand, and I want to buy this product, so we could give this much money for this product, right? So because of that logo, everybody buying that product. But who will make the logo designing? So logo design, who will create the brand? We have to create the brand, we have to create the logo, then which is going to release in the market. So then we are going to buy the product, then the logo will become famous and the product will become famous, correct? So because of that only, so this product is very popular, because of all these things we can create it, correct? So logo designing, so we have very important things, we have to make many n number of logos here. So look at here, so we have this Adidas logo, Microsoft. See, in logos also we have different categories are there. So look at here, we have something related to softwares. Logos are very simple, like simple kind of a logo, this is a software logo. And look at the Starbucks logo, having the female crayon, or with the female something will be there. Okay, so this is one different logo, and this is a Apple logo, LG logo, Mitsubishi Motors logo. See, motors, cars, everywhere the logo will be there. Even the channels, MTV, the channel logo, BBC. It is having which. See, all these are the identification of the channel, identification of the shoes, identification of the software, identification of the cars. Even Pepsi, we have this logo. Correct. Nike logo, Volkswagen logo. So we have different logos are there. So these are the identification of the brand, identification of the product, anything you can consider it. Okay. So here, what are the things which is including in the logos? Okay. So here the logo, look at it in simple words, logo designing is a process in which symbols, text, images, colors, nothing else. Correct. Only the symbols will be there, images will be there, text will be there, colors are there. So what I have shown here, the logo designing, which is not very much complicated. Correct. So here Microsoft, only the four blocks they have made it here, and just to type it the name like this. It is very, it is considered as a logo, and which is charging like 50 lakhs for this much logo only. Okay, so it is a simple logo because according to their brand, so they are charging the prices also. Like Mitsubishi, the cars start from 40 to 50 lakhs, maybe I don't know properly. So the according to that things, look at the brand of the logo designing, they will charge. Okay, so logo designings are very important. So look at here, we have this BMW logo, Nissan logo. So BMW logo, whoever created, very simple logo it's look like, but whoever they created, they're not charging 5,000 rupees, right? So they are charging according to the brand. So but it is looking very simple. But logo designing, if you'll make one single designing also, the prices will be more. And look at the Apple logo, I have this Apple logo here, which is in the Firefox. We are not able to open the Firefox file here. So and we have some of the logos, see, which is related to food. So even food having different kinds of logos. See, this fork and spoon, and this something fire kind of a things will be there. So which is indicating the restaurant. Correct. So always we will search somewhere. We are not seeing the name of the thing, restaurant. Also, we are just seeing the indication of this. So yeah, there is food is available here. So like that, with the indication of the logo itself, so it is a completely different logo. So in the 2D we have created the 3D. So I'll show you people, which is having a different creative logos. These are the creative logo, and we have, this is a Firefox logo we have created. You people have to create this Firefox logo. So this is the Firefox logo that we have created in the class. And look at here, which is having a different kind of logo. So like this, and Twitter logo. Okay, so like this. So this is the simple things only we are going to create it. So in the 2D itself we have made the 3D things. So even which is giving the depth here, so which is with the 3D things. Okay, so this is a 3D logo. And look at, with the 2D we have the 3D things over there. Okay, which is giving the depth. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have this Gucci logo. All these things only we are going to create. Okay, so look at here, some of the logo, very simple logos are there, which is Google, Walmart, and so you people know already Starbucks, Nike, and this Target logo, the Coca-Cola, the software company logo is there, Amazon, Domino's Pizza. So very simple logos. We have to create all these logos only. Same Disney, Walt Disney logo. So say the same logos only we have to create it. So all the logos which is telling a different thing here. Okay, so according to their creativity, they made a brand. So which has become very popular when they have created the logo, which is very simple. It looks very simple, but they made a very good name in the market. So all these are the different logos are there. Okay, so everybody which is clear, right, what is logo designing, and already you people know. And the brochure designing you people know already, like how we are making the poster design, like that only brochure designing. It may be 2 pages or a 4 pages brochures will be there always. When you admission you will make in the college or any of the institute, and also they will make a brochure of what are the courses they have about their company and all. They will have the brochure things will be there. Okay, and newspaper design, newsletter design, you people know already. Next, the business card and the visiting card. So business card, visiting card, always which is having a standard size 2.5 by 3. So that is the standard size of the visiting card design. So visiting card, mainly for the business who is from the business background, they will keep the visiting card design, visiting cards. Okay. Okay, so this is a visiting card. So for everything, so even for the visiting card also, we need a logo. We need the company logo here. Okay, and front and back, both the side, the printing is going to happen. So here we have to keep minimum informations in the visiting card. So we cannot. We have very less space. So we have to keep very less informations in the visiting card. Always the name and company name and the mobile number and the designation, very small address we should keep it, others mail id and all we could keep it. So in the visiting card designs we have to keep very small informations. Okay, so we cannot put so much information everywhere. Okay, so that's why we have to create the visiting card designs. I have some of the visiting cards here. So visiting card designs, so here we are using the word business card. Okay, business card is nothing but the visiting card design. So you people know how to download the software. So I have shown you people already the thing. Last time I have given that website name. So I forgot the website name. So you have to download the software from there. Okay. So even there itself you will get the CorelDRAW software also. So we are going to make some of the designs, visiting card designs or a logo designing, and the letterhead design. So letterhead design, I'll show some of the visiting cards I have. So this is a letterhead design. So even with the letterhead design, before that we have to create the brand name of the company brand name and the logo of the company. So all this is the this will come with the third step. So starting the logo designing will come, second the visiting card design will come, and the third one we have to make the letterhead design. So here with the opacity less, we have the logo of the company will be there, AR multimedia something. Okay, so this is the letterhead design. So you have seen all these designs already. So we have some of the visiting card design. Look at here, which is design. So it is depends upon what kind of designation they have, like that they will make. Some people, they will make very simple visiting card design, some people make colorful visiting card design, but we cannot make more colorful here. Okay, so here, very small size. Okay, even if you'll see the logo design, so we have some of the cartoon logos also, we can make it. Suppose this is the logo, you can see somewhere in the saloon, or somewhere in the boutique and all, you can see this kind of logos. Okay, so we can make some of the cartoon logos, or yeah, even this kind of logos also we can make it. Okay, so anybody having any doubt with the logo designing? Even this is also one logo. Yeah, this is the student works they have done already. So offline classes, so some of the cartoon designing they have done. So, and this is the logos they have done. So Domino's Pizza, Global, Google Chrome, all these things only we have to create it. Okay, so this is the things the students have done. And this is the design they have done with this auto car, uh, this magazine kind of thing. You can consider it as a brochure or a poster, something like that. Okay, so they made it as a we have 6th October 2017 and all, we have named it. So they have made a magazine thing and all. Okay, and some of the simple uh, coffee. See, look at this coffee cup. This is the thing we have created, so you have not taken any images here. This is the coffee cup and the saucer, we have created this thing. So that is completely vector based. If you zoom it how much also, which is not going to pixelate. Okay, so images always which is going to pixelate. Here, this is a thing which is completely done with the vector based. We have created each and everything here. Okay, and look at here, even this is also vector based. Here we are taken this image. So this is the only thing which is we have taken the image. So everything the student have done. Okay, so like that. Even this is a thing, in the last class we have created this fresh and natural coffee always go Starbucks. Okay, so this image, look at, this is the image, so we'll get to know what is vector and what is raster. So the image is completely blurred here. Okay, so even we could create our this logo our own. We have to create the logo, we should not take the logo also from outside, so we have to create everything. And look at, everything is very neat and clean, and which is not pixelating here. Only the image is pixelating, otherwise everything we have created. Okay, so like that. And we have some designs. Look at here, this Podar Jumbo Kid summer camp something. So which have some of the students created this one. Okay, so even the image is having a very good quality of the image. Zoom it and check the quality of the image, and the text, which is, if you'll how much ever you will zoom it also, which is not pixelating. So when we were taking for the printout, when we are giving for printing, suppose 100 copies printing, 200 copies we have to take it for the print. So that time no need to worry about the printing, so which is coming very neatly. Even this is the things we have created. Okay, so then this is one poster design. So this is also we have created. So which is something related to holiday tours and travels, which is having 30% off. Okay, so we saw this designs already in the design software. Same thing, one or two designs we have to create it. even this is also holiday, so which is pending in InDesign software. So I told you people same tools, the curve shape, the pen tool, which is going to repeat in Corel Draw software. So again we have to do the same thing I told you people. So this is the thing we have to create in Corel Draw software again. And this is Firefox logo. So I'll just all with the, I'll go to this option. This is C pixelated because this is the image format. So if I'll right click on this, the preview option, look at here, which is how much ever you will zoom it, which is not pixelating, because we are done this thing in the CorelDRAW software. So which is not pixelating. So if you'll do everything in CorelDRAW by own, so by the time, so we will give 100% quality guarantee. So the quality always which is good. So if we'll take the same image in a banner size or any bigger size, when we are taking, suppose if you'll see the movie cutouts, so movie posters, movie cutouts and all, if you'll see it, so you can see like very big posters and all you'll see, right? So which is not going to pixelate, because everything they have made it with the CorelDRAW, they have used the CorelDRAW software. And so even the titles, everything they will make it so big banners. Even the in the college events and all, they will make the banners and all, you will see the banners. So those things and all which is created with the CorelDRAW software. Okay, so any bigger size, when while you people are taking the printout and all, so that time which is not going to pixelate. Okay, so that's why the CorelDRAW software is very popular from the beginning. Okay, is that clear? Anybody having any doubt? Who are not given me the attendance? Punita, you are not given. Punita.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Why very less student today? Is there any other classes are going on same time? Monal Singh and this Alisha Dodi.
Present, ma'am.
Alisha, like you are attended Photoshop 2 3 classes. Afterwards, you are not there. What is the problem? Now also she's not there. Okay, so anybody having any doubt with this CorelDRAW software? Divashriyam Nisargar, I have taken attendance, right? Okay, so we will go to CorelDRAW here. So how to open the CorelDRAW? So before that, let us see what are the things I have left. So features of the CorelDRAW. Okay, CorelDRAW is a software program for editing vector graphics. So graphic package consists of objects, image, shapes and all. So we have to use always the software, means this is a designing software. Always these things which is coming there. So shape, color, size and positions and images. So these are the things which is necessary things which are going to come. Almost I have told you people. So what are the things which is the versions, and mainly the color code. So Corel Draw mainly we are using for printing purpose. So for the printing, so they are always using CMYK color, that is cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So you people know already the color RGB colors and CMYK color. So we have here cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So this is the mainly for automatically which is going to take, like we are using, this is a color. Okay, so versions and all you people know already. Please note it down. So please completely don't depends upon the video. So whatever the things I'm going to tell in the class, please note it down in the book, separate book, make a separate book for designing softwares. Okay, so because once will the group will remove, and any of the videos which is going to delete means you will not get the backup of the classes. Okay, so that's why please completely don't depends upon the videos. Okay, so sometime the video recording it may not be happen. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you people, please write it down, whatever the options, whatever the tools. Later you can submit the assignment also, no problem. But you people have to write it down, whatever the tools I'm saying. Okay, so we'll go to the software now. So I'll close this. So I have downloaded already the software, the Corel Draw X7, 64-bit, 32-bit also can download it, no problem. 64-bit, the system configurations and processor. So always we need a i3 or i5 system. Better if these are the designing software, high-end softwares. So we need a i5 and i7 processor for any of the designing software we need it. And we need a 2 GB, minimum 2 GB graphic card, and 2 GB RAM always required to operate the software. Okay, so we'll go to this thing. So start, we have the software here, no need to go inside Adobe Master Collection and all. Directly we'll have an options, Corel Draw X7, the version I'm using. You can download X6 and X7. So everybody should download the Corel Draw software. I don't know how many peoples you have downloaded the InDesign software, but please start it from the Corel Draw from the beginning, which is very important software. Okay, Corel Draw X7. So I have already opened the file here, Corel Draw X7. Okay, so when you open the file, you have this thing. Okay, so you'll have, sometime you will have this option, you will get it. Otherwise you will have the option like file new, something like this option also you will get it. So whenever you will open this software, this is the software which is already opened here. So Corel Draw X7, and you have to go to here, file new. So already you people have learned already two designing software, which all three softwares looks almost same. Okay, but we have to do the designing in a different way here. We don't have layers here. We have the option of layers, but not compulsory that we have to use the layers here. Okay, so but the we have this toolbar here in the left side. We have the toolbar, and the ruler option is there. In InDesign you have seen already, this ruler option is here, and this is a work area, and this is a work area. And here in the middle mouse button we can zoom this and zoom in and zoom out, we can do it. So middle mouse button we can use the zoom in and zoom out options. I'll come back to Corel Draw. So we have the option of zoom in and zoom out. So that middle scroll button, though the middle button I have, there is a in my mouse there is a middle scroll option I have, so I can zoom in. So wherever the mouse you will keep, so there itself which is going to zoom. So if you'll keep it here down, which is going to zoom there itself. So this is the one extra thing which is not there in other software. So you can zoom in and zoom out like this. And we have the toolbar. So almost the these tools, like we have the rectangular tool here, and we have this ellipse tool. We have this rectangular tool and the ellipse tool, and this polygonal tool, and we have the option of text tool, and some of the effects we have, and the colors and the brushes and the crop tool, and we have the zoom in and zoom tool and the selection tool. So many of the options which is similar with the InDesign software, but the same tools only we are doing the design in a different way. Okay. And we have the color palette here in the menu bar. Also we have the color palette in the right side. We will have this color palette option also. We could scroll this work area also. We have the color palette option here, so which is defining the CMYK color palette. So we could move it wherever we want. We could move this color palette. Look at the color palette is come like this. So wherever we want we can move the color palette. So I always we have to use the left click, so we can use the color palette option wherever we want. Okay. So I'll keep it here only. Okay. So and here in the menu bar, so we have this file, edit, view, layout, object, effects, bitmap, text, tables, tools, windows, and this help option. So all these option which you people have seen in other software also, this almost the same option which is available here. Okay. And so almost almost the things are same. So you have learned two software, so this is very easy and very simple works will be there. Okay, simple low code designing and all we have to create it. Okay. So anybody having any doubt to install the software or to download the software, any other things you have any doubts, anybody? Okay, so we'll go to this software. So always we have to open the file. We have to open a new file. File, new. The shortcut is Control N. So we have this option, file new, file open, file recent, open recent file, and file close, close all. All these options are there in the file menu. Okay, I'll go to this file new. When I'll open this file new, so you will get this many options. Please write it down these options, everybody. Okay, so this is create a new document and the name of the file. We could save it later also while we are giving file save. Otherwise we could give here also. Preset, destination. We have the destination in the sense what kind of a file we are going to make. So this is the custom based in the sense like any size we could take it from here. So we have the custom size according to the customer. The sizes we have to take, we can custom, we can do the changes of the shapes, sizes and all. We can, according to us, whatever the sizes we want, we can modify the thing. And already we have standard sizes here. We have this web banner designs. We could make a web banner design in Corel Draw software. So we have this web banner size 125, 125. So these are the sizes, very small sizes actually. So usually web banners we could see in the any of the web pages. If you open any of the web pages, so you can see some of the floating slides and all. So hurry up, uh, what is that? Uh, Free vacations, something like that you will see somewhere. So if you click on that, so then which is going to open the website, which is going to open their website, and there will be telling there is a charges will be there and things and all. So but after seeing that web banner, so it is a free tours, free travel, so no need to pay money. So those things and all we can see it in the web banner, something only they will mention to attract the people, some of the informations. Okay, so these are always, they don't have much space in the website, so they will give very less space. Look at here, 125 one things. So 336 and 280 is a bigger size. These are the bigger size. For this sizes and all, they are charging for the sizes, so that's why the sizes will be very less. Okay, and we could make, look at here, these are the things we are not going to make Japanese postcard and all. So we are making something which is related to this. See, A4 size already you people know, A4 size, A3 size, A5 size, and so all these sizes are you people are familiar. And we have some legal letter. See, these are the sizes everywhere already they are using, like these are the standard sizes everywhere, any state if you'll go, any country will go, these are the sizes are very standard size. Okay, everybody should follow the same sizes if you go for any government legal related things, or a half letter, or the envelope. See, envelope which is very common, so which is having a standard size already. So these are the standard size we have to mention. We have to take this is a standard size only, we have to always print. Okay, so everywhere this is a common size, web banner size, and business card we have the size somewhere. Yeah, look at here, we have the size of the business card. So which is necessary, only those things only you people have to know. Okay, I'll select this A4 size, and according to the A4 size, what is the width and height of the A4 size? So 210 by 297, that is the width and height of the file, 210 and 297. So which is calculating in the format of millimeters, inches, pixels, and the feet for. So suppose we are taking we have to create the banner design, so which is going to calculate it in the feet. Okay, so miles, centimeters, and kilometers and all we are not using. Okay, inches, millimeters, and pixels, feet, all these options only we are using. Okay, so everything, so if I'll select this feet, according to that the file size will change. So if I'll give pixels again, 2480 pixel, 3580 pixel, something like that. So like that, so which is going to change like this. Okay, so 8 by 11, which is very important. So in online test they are going to ask like what is the size of the A4 in inches. So they will give 8 by 12 or 8 by 5, something like that. They will give four options, so any one of the options you have to choose it. Okay, so we have, again we have this portrait mode and the landscape mode. So you people know already, portrait means which is coming in the vertical direction, and landscape which is coming in this landscape mode, horizontal directions. And number of pages, again we can do the book designs here, any of the course material designs, college books, school books, any of the books, novels, everything we could create in CorelDRAW software from the beginning till now. All the books designing, everything which is creating with the CorelDRAW software itself, because InDesign software is very few years back only which is introduced. Okay, this is the CorelDRAW software which is there in the before 90s. You people, I have shown the history of the CorelDRAW software. So like this is a very old software. So they have developed so much in this software now. And look at here, number of pages. You can take how much of the pages you want. You can 10, 15, 20, 100 pages and all. We could add it. So we could add so many pages here. 10 pages I have added here. So like this, I could add how much ever possible. I could add this many pages. And primary color mode. So primary color mode, whenever you open this Corel Draw, always the primary color mode is CMYK and the secondary color mode is RGB. So generally, and the thing is, we have to use the CMYK color because for the printing, so CMYK color only which is going to support. So CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So this is the thing which is going to support. And resolution. So resolution, I told you people already what is resolution, how it is calculating. So resolution always calculating with the pixels. Okay, so what it is telling, resolution is nothing but the quality of the image, height and width of the image. So resolution, which is calculating like this DPI, dots per inch. You in 1 inch, how many dots are there? So something like that. So if you any image, if you zoom it, which is going to pixelate. So if the pixels are very less, suppose 72, if I have given the 72 is the minimum resolution and 300 is the maximum resolution. So if we'll give a 300, the image quality will improve. Image quality will come thicker, and image have a good quality of colors and good quality of the thing vectors things and all. So that's why we have to give the 300 resolutions. Okay, so like that. Anybody have any doubt about this? So no need to worry about this part. So you have to you have to watch these things. Okay, create a new document. Anybody having any problem with the network issues? Anybody facing any network issues from my side? Any network issues there? Please note down this option, everybody. Please note down, because some system it may be changed, because if you are using any higher version, if you download in the tomorrow Saturday Sunday, you have 2 days time. Please download this software. Okay, I'll just give okay here. Okay, so here, look at here in the down here, which is mentioning the page numbers. Okay, so here page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, like this we have the page numbers. So uh, we have the back option also is there, front option is there, previous option also is there, which is coming directly to the page 1, and end option which is going directly to 10 pages. So we have already 10 pages here. Okay, so which is not nothing is there in this pages, so everything is looking same, that's why. Okay, so and look at the toolbar. So I can bring this toolbar here also. So this is okay, color palette I have removed it. So if no, everybody can see the toolbar, right? So if I'll zoom in, if we'll make it like this, you can see the toolbar like this. And please write it down, the tool's name. The first one we have in this, we have three different tools are there: pick tool, freehand pick tool, and free transform tool. Please write it on, because I want to check like whoever downloading the software, in all the system the same software is there or not. So that is pick tool, freehand pick tool, free transform tool. And next one is the shape tool, smooth tool, smear tool, drill tool, attract tool, repeal, smudge and roughen. So these are the extra tools we are not having in other software. Okay, So please write it down. These are the option. Next, we have the option called this crop tool, knife tool, and eraser tool, virtual segment delete tool. So these are the option: crop tool, knife tool, and virtual segment delete, and the eraser tool. Okay, please write it down these options. Next, we have the option of zoom and pan. So using this zoom tool, we can increase the screen. We can zoom the images or zoom the screen and all. Okay. So next, if you click on here, we have this option that is called freehand tool, 2-point line tool, Bezier tool, pen tool, B-spline tool, polyline tool, 3-point curve tool. So please write it down all these options. So freehand tool, 2-point line tool, Bezier tool, pen tool, B-spline, polyline, and 3-point curve, and smart drawing. So next one is artistic media tool. The shortcut is I. Artistic media tool, shortcut is I. Next, you will go to this rectangular tool, 3-point rectangle tool. Please write it down this one. Artistic media tool, and if you'll go to this rectangular tool, and 3-point rectangle tool. Okay, the shortcut is F6, rectangle tool, 3-point rectangle tool. Next one, we have the option of ellipse tool and 3-point ellipse. Ellipse and 3-point ellipse, shortcut is F7. And next we have an option of polygon, star, complex star, graph paper, and the spiral, and the basic shapes, arrow shape, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, and the color shapes. So these are the options which are available: polygon, star, complex star, graphic paper, spiral, basic shape, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, and the color shapes. So these are the options are available. Please write it down this option also. Next, we will go for this text tool. So the first one is the text and the table. Okay, so the shortcut of text is F8. So we have the option of text and table. So next we'll have the parallel dimensional tool, horizontal or vertical dimensional, angular dimension, segment dimension, and 3-point callout shape. So some of the tools which are not available in other softwares. And we have the tool of straight line connector. To create a flowchart design, we have to make this kind of tools: straight line connectors, right angle connector, round right angle connectors. Okay, so I'll tell you once we'll start the class where we are using these tools. And these are some of the effects, which is the drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope, and extrude. Please write it on all this option, which is very important. Drop shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope, and the extrude. Okay, so next we have an option called, so that is the things which is introduce the transparency tool. So even the one version is going to start, so they are going to introduce different versions. They may be increase the tools, or they may be increase some of the inside this menu, some of the tools they will introduce. Okay, so like that eyedropper tool. So everybody know this eyedropper tool, color eyedropper tool. We have already used in Photoshop and InDesign software. So like that we have interactive fill tool and smart fill tool. So interactive fill tool we have, and the smart fill tool we have. Okay, so we have to This is a selection tool. Always we should have the selection tool. Okay, so we'll go to file, new, and any of the horizontal and vertical directions I will take it here. So whenever I'll open this file here, okay, so this color palette, I can move this color palette wherever I want. I told you people already. So this is the color palette option, and this is the work area. So we can zoom in and zoom out here itself. In the mouse itself we can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, wherever you will keep the mouse, here in corner the mouse is there itself, which is zooming. Okay, so we will go for the first tool. Before that, I'll tell you people, look at here, this is my work area. So according to the work area, in the property menu here, this is a property menu. So there you can size, what is the size of the file, and what is the width and height of the file, and we can make it, we can do the changes here. We can make it portrait also. Okay, it's become portrait, and we can make landscape also. So both the things, no need to go for the file new options, no need to take it here itself, we can do the changes. Okay, we can do the changes here itself. And here the units, which is calculating with the inches, millimeters. Already I have told you people, pixels. So we can do the changes here also. So if we'll give the millimeters according to this, so all the values will change here. Okay, so which is, before it is in inches, 8 by 11. Okay, A4 size. Even I'll go to here business card. So if I select the business card, look at here, business card is nothing but the visiting card design, so which is very smaller size. So according to this size only we have to create the design. So which is 3.5 by 2. So width is 3.5. This is the width and this is the height. So 3.5 by 2. So how much ever zoom it, which is looking very big, but the file size is according to the visiting card designs, how much it should come. So according to that only it will take automatically. So business card, which is having a standard size 3.5 by 2.0 again. So we have all these options are there. Okay, and again we have this option C, A3 size. So A3 size, to create a newspaper design I have used this option, A3 size. So very bigger size to make a newspaper design, I have used this A4 A3 size file. Okay, next look at here, we have this envelope size. So envelope size, everybody know the envelope, right? So envelope, so to keep check or any of the documents, so any hospital bills and all, they will use the post office and all, they will use they will give this envelopes and all. So we can keep the things here in the envelopes. Okay, so address and those company related informations will be there, mail ID, phone numbers and all. So this is a standard size. And look at here, 10 by 4. So height is less, width is 10 here. So envelope 1, 11, envelope 12. So the changes little bit, very slight changes are there. Before it is 10, we now it is become 11. So like that. And envelope 14, so 11 by 5. So very slight changes are there in the envelope design. Okay, next look at this web banner design. I have told you people, 250 by 250. So web banners which are always available in the in the web design. Yes, in the website we can see web banners in the website. And look at the size, which is very smaller, this much area only you will have, we will have the space, because only for this much only they will charge so much. So that's why web banners will have a very small size, and we cannot create a more designs here inside this. And they will have very simple message they will give. So this is the you can make money in one day, something like that. You will get the information. Otherwise, free trips, something like that. So if you'll click on this, free trip, free vacations, or a free education, something like that, free meal, Wednesday offer, something like that. They will have the offer things and all. So stock clearance sale, something like that. They will only the thing messages only which is going to be here. So always if you click on this web banner, so which is going to their website, company website, and then they will apply the conditions and all. Okay, so that is the web banners. Okay, look at here again, we don't have any other sizes here, which is something related to legal letters, something is there. Look at here, letter size. Okay, so this also it is 8 by 10, 8 by 11, which is equal to A4 size. So letter size which is equal to A4 size only. So 8 by 11 is that, yeah, inches, 8 by 11 only. So whatever the letter size and A4 size, both are looking same only. Okay, so this is the thing. So you people got to know the sizes of the pages, right? Because when in exams they maybe ask you people, so what is the size of the A4 size in inches, 8 by 11. And when you open the Corel Draw file, new file, what is the default option we could say, see here, what is the default file size we could see here? That is the A4 size. So which is available defaultly A4 size only, which is present here. So no other sizes which are present here, correct? I have changed it to RA3 something. So I'll open once again, file new. Look at here, always when you will open the Corel Draw software, A4 size only which is visible. Okay, no other sizes which is not visible here in the front screen. Okay, is that clear everybody? Anybody having any doubt? Okay, so this is the thing which is going to related completely about the image, this thing, file sizes and all. So here we have the pages and all. Suppose I just right click on this page. We have this option, I'll just delete the page. Right click on this image, I'll just delete this file. Okay, so if I don't want this file, so right click on this page and I'll delete this. Right click on this page, I'll delete it. So more things we will see in the next class. So right click on this image file and we'll delete the page, and one page we have to keep always. Okay, so is that clear? So next class we will go through with the tools and we will create logo design. From next class itself we'll create logo design only. Okay, so what you people have to do, you have to download the Corel Draw software. So please download everybody Corel Draw X6 or X7. Okay, see, please download the same version what I have said.